Today, I'm gonna ground Tweedy Bird. Ha 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 ha. Because he's so annoying. Plus, Looney Tunes is so boring. Hello Tweedy Bird. Guess what? You're grounded forever. Now go to your room before I kick your butt. Yay. I've grounded Tweedy Bird. Yay. I've grounded Tweedy Bird. I'm gonna remember this for a long time. There he is, Sylvester. Eggman grounded me for no reason. Oh. Eggman. How dare you ground Tweedy? You know that he didn't do anything wrong. He didn't even do anything to you at all. That's it. I'm calling Sonic. Hello Sonic. What, Sylvester? Eggman just grounded Tweedy Bird for no reason. Oh. He is so gonna be grounded. Okay, thank you. Hey Eggman. Sonic is coming to get you. Oh. Eggman. How dare you ground Tweedy Bird? That's it. You're grounded forever. Let's go home right now. That Eggman. Now go to your room before I kick your ass. What?